Chapter 14. Comparison of adverbs. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adverbs: the positive, the comparative, and the superlative. The adverbs form their comparatives and superlatives using er and est, and more and most. Adverbs that end in ly use the words more and most to form their comparatives and superlatives. The one-syllable adverbs use er in the comparative form and est in the superlative form. Positive, comparative, superlative: early, earlier, earliest; fast, faster, fastest; hard, harder, hardest; high, higher, highest; late, later, latest; loud, louder, loudest; near, nearer, nearest; soon, sooner, soonest. Adverbs which end in ly or have 3 or more syllables each form the comparative with more and the superlative with most. Positive, comparative, superlative: angrily, more angrily, most angrily; brightly, more brightly, most brightly; dimly, more dimly, most dimly; freely, more freely, most freely; gladly, more gladly, most gladly; heavily, more heavily, most heavily; loudly, more loudly, most loudly; quietly, more quietly, most quietly; sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly; terribly, more terribly, most terribly. The comparative form is used to compare 2 things. We must not reach there later than 7 o'clock. You speak more loudly than a loudspeaker. Sirius shines more brightly than all the other stars. The superlative form is used to compare 3 or more things. He arrived the earliest, so he had to wait for the others. Why do you have to speak the most loudly of all at the meeting? Of all the girls, your sister sang the most sweetly. It is not correct to use er and more together, or est and most together. The tree is more taller than the giraffe. Incorrect. The tree is taller than the giraffe. Correct. This turkey is the most oldest in the farm. Incorrect. This turkey is the oldest in the farm. Correct. Some adverbs form the comparative and the superlative irregularly. Positive, comparative, superlative: badly, worse than, worst; the, far, farther, farthest; far, further, furthest; little, less, least; much or many; more, most; well, better, best. Sentence examples. Of the 2 teddy bears, which do you like better? This has to be the farthest I have ever walked in my life.